Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi, and welcome back to another video. My name is Brendan Lowe, and I'm a Salesforce and AI expert at Solved. This video is specifically intended for those of you who have worked or are looking at working with the SDR agent in Salesforce using AgentForce. One of the common complaints that I've seen with my clients is that the SDR agent has a scheduling feature for its emails that it sends out. To further explain this, the first time when you assign the SDR agent to a lead or a contact to do outreach, it actually drafts and schedules an email for at least an hour out, and that email doesn't go out as soon as you assign the agent. It's pending an hour. Additionally, if your prospect or your contact responds to the SDR agent's outreach, it does that same process once again. It will draft up an email and schedule it to respond now back to that response for at least 1 hour out from when it received the response. And not all my clients have loved this about it. And so I want to show you something that is part of a new AgentForce update that can handle this common complaint. So I'm going to go and look at my SDR agent. I'm going to open it in the builder. So as part of the most recent update for AgentForce, there is now, if you go to the engagement rules, there is a new feature. They actually have it highlighted as recommended that you can toggle on. Important to note that if you already have an SDR agent, this doesn't automatically get put into place, but you can toggle this on and it will allow the agent to respond immediately to a customer or a prospect, meaning that initial outreach is still scheduled and will still take an hour. The intention behind that is for you to be able to kind of intervene and cancel that. It gives you an hour to determine if you really want the SDR agent to interact with that customer or prospect. But if the client or the prospect responds, checking this box allows the SDR agent to respond back immediately instead of waiting an hour drafting up an email. And my recommendation is that this be utilized. It seems like it makes more sense to have that hour on the initial send out, just so that if you change your mind, you can go in and you can cancel the outreach. But most of the time, you're not going to be diligently watching to see if the customer responds and wanting to kind of intervene there. It seems like if they're responding, then we want the SDR agent to respond back right away to try to get more out of them or schedule a meeting, and your success rate is going to go up if the SDR agent isn't waiting. So new release, wanted to point this out, and I recommend taking a look and toggling this box on your SDR agent if you feel comfortable with it. If you would like to learn more about AgentForce, AI, Salesforce in general, please go to YouTube and look for SOLVD.cloud and consider subscribing. We have lots of videos there that you can use to quickly learn about some of these more in-depth topics and even some of the simple ones for day-to-day Salesforce and AI usage. But consider subscribing. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, and leave a comment. Leave a comment if you have any questions about how this would work or ideas about it. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.